Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Good morning to you all. Actually, there is a video I saw today. Someone shared it to me. And when I was watching the video, I saw a lady who came out a month ago that German government collected a child from her, a first child from her, kissing and romancing in the presence of our own children, our own little children. Just imagine that. I remember when I saw that video the first time when that woman was making, crying, saying some certain stuff that German people collected her children, that is a lady collected her child, and this and that. I was like, this one, there must be a reason why they collected her child from her. There must be a reason. Before socials will collect your child from you, they have a reason to that. So then I never talked about it. I never even talk on the matter because men looking at the woman, you know that she's an irresponsible mother. She doesn't even want to have those children. It is better for government to take those children than those children living with her. The reason why I'm making this video today is because of I am very angry when I saw this video this morning. Because this woman, people like this woman, are the reason why some low lives are insulting the responsible single mom out there. Because this kind of women are the reason why some men who are still responsible are insulting all single mothers. Imagine you as a mom. You have 4 children with different fathers. With 4 fathers. And government collected your children. Collected your old child from you. You are not thinking about that. All you think now is man. There was a video I watched about her. I had her saying that she wants to have more kids. She wants to have more kids because she loves children. I don't understand. Like, seriously? You want to have more kids in such situation? Just according to the lady, said, if they give me more opportunity, I see another man, I go born, you know, as you just did. I see you want to born. Ah, man. Sometimes I dey vessel man. Una know they look women. To know a sign of irresponsible woman. Now the children, when they around them, the way they live, the way those children live, the way they talk, the way they behave. I cannot say that women who have 4 children for different fathers or 5 children with different father are all the same, like they are not responsible. Some of them, it is, I don't know. Some of them is not their fault. One majority of them is their fault. Imagine this one. She is not thinking about how to reclaim her child from the government. She's busy kissing on the front, in the front of the rest children. Sister, the shame your shame. Pardon me, guys. You all know me. I don't easily judge people. I don't judge people because of what they told me about them. I don't judge people by what I'm saying. I don't easily judge people. Let me put it. I don't easily judge people. Just as the Bible you people are reading says, by their fruit you should know them. I read people from afar. No matter what people will tell me, no matter what anyone will tell me about this person, I don't listen until I find out like, oh, this person is really like this. Murders. Wake up. Madam will get many children. Now might be your problem. You don't think how to take care of those children when you born. Let me tell you about yourself. Gosh, these people are so annoying. Now, these are the reasons why if I see some videos on social media, I know they could they jump out to come they fight for the person or whatever. Because some of these people, when they complain, majority of them, they get faults. They get faults. You will hear them saying, Jamie, collect my pikin. Jamie, collect my pikin. And the worst part of it all, they know they talk what they do before Jamie will collect your pikin. They know they talk what they do. The only thing when they talk, Jamie are bad people. They collected my child from me. They collected my child from me. Even last year, I saw some people, some group of women. Now, so they see they complain, they cry up and down. Before Jamie will come collect your pikin from, there must be something. They don't observe so many things. Most especially, those one when we say get socials where they come their house. Some women don't get sense. Some women are just too irresponsible for my liking. Being a single mom does not make you a stupid person. Being a single mom does not mean you should be stupid as well. As a single mom, there are ways you live your life and there are things you do. I remember those days when I see the date. My exes can testify to that. You see, this is my only child. My child soul. I know they use and play. Even then when I see the date, kiss, I know the kiss for where she did. I had a friend boy, but I know they do nonsense for where she did. Even after this man, me and my mom, that time we got did the same house. If we want kiss like this, we'll look here. Before we... You'll see some mothers where their children did, they do like this. They'll do like this for the presence of their children. Go where their husband or boyfriend, they'll begin to do like this, or begin to do all nonsense. Those children, they look her, they copy her, they take her. But for your mind, you feel saying a better thing they do. Now lie, those children are learning from it. There is a video I saw of two children, and one video like that for two children. Then they begin the open body, they took everything. I just look and see them. Are you responsible more? Now, what did they see their mother do now? Mothers know what to do in presence of your children. Imagine even this lady now. I remember say one guy, I been an ex-boyfriend, fair talk and say he two children said that they sleep together. Why? You did one room with your children. Know the things you do. If you want to have fun with your man, let them sleep first. I will still remember those days when we say I see the date. Sometimes because not be, I always say good women, men not like they don't get lucky of men. Not be every woman like to change man. Any woman when they date man, he still say the man way not good. He go leave her. I not come because of what people go talk. Come say me I not date again. I go date. I'll try my luck. In those days, sometimes if I see guy, I say, God, maybe this one's still good for me, oh. Because I know one man I call they carry the fefe man, come they meet my daughter for house. Make she they see the fefe man they come out, they come in, they come out. I don't need them. I go they pray. And some of them, now they know the reason why woman they leave man. Those days when I say the reason why they make me see they leave this man, one of the reason, and because of all this yama when this boy when did that video now they do with this girl, they know they respect children. They don't even care what that pikin did there. They'll begin to talk some kind of vocal words for the presence of children. They'll begin to talk nonsense. There is another video of this lady again when I see, I go see post on just now. See what when she dey talk for where children dey. Make I do the second part. One of this lady video when I still see this same woman when Jamie collect pikin for yam so. You get one of her video when I still see when she dey insult German first lady, Mama Gladys. Now say the insult her. Now so I cannot care. If they talk about care for where small pikin, the children, they the background. Madam enter house. Ugbe wengbe. Ese de la demo do rovie me because uga rovie me. E Jamie e wono che. Evidence when they yari gi social. E de zamemegi. E yari yemi no e nonsense no na yamu gi social. Ya no mie we ni care because you are a bad mother. I don't easily judge people. For those of you who knows me, you know I don't easily talk on people's matter. But this woman pissed me off because me too, I am a single mom. I have been taking care of my child for the past let me just say going to 13 years now. So it saddens my heart to see where people are insulting responsible single mom are there. Say responsible single mom like me. We did date that year, we did date with reasons. We did date with reason. Only one come outside. Okay, now. Wait, now I carry the video come outside. Do you understand? We did date with reasons. If we date man when we say they irresponsible, we go leave her. One of my reasons when we say I dey leave man that time, I dey leave them. Now the way they treat my child or treat me in the presence of my child. I was dating one guy there. That guy, he don't care whether my daughter did there. Now say we call the one make they press my body. I just say, God, which guy you might be dog be this one? Yes, small pikin they go say, I want to do. I say, you don't see small pikin day here. Who now when be single mom or women, you will get children. You will see say man they press you for your own fun, for your own life. My sister, that man a useless man because a responsible man no go feel they touch you for where small pikin day. Now my man day here so. Now me and I got that day. My daughter day 4 years when I tell no. He never kissed me for my daughter present. That time when me and I got that day the same house. If we want to do kere, we go first let the baby sleep first. We will solve the don't small to make it no here because body must touch body. Now wait till stick will be stick. He never do. Even till dead, pikin don't still grow. The same thing. Have fun. I not talk say because Jama collect your pikin say you not call have fun again. But be focus. Be focus. Stay away from me for now. I heard her saying, if I get opportunity, I go get belly. You don't get should be they Chris. Because now people like Una, they make some men they insult with the responsible single mom are there. You stupid ass. Don't even dare it and say, hey, I watch this video, let me come after this lady. Because we remain a video where anybody against social media, when you have to via money, they'll come collect the rest children from you. Because oh, damn, you are a bad mother. Even the video when she for the complaint, they cry, say they collect my. I don't pity you because all what she was saying was, yeah, boyfriend, it will not be a mue. You will not be a mue. I know if it did, I know if you get for children, Agwalekiao. Umwe goes settle down. Why won't irresponsible men get you pregnant when you are being stupid and foolish? If you are not educated, doesn't mean you should be stupid. You are lucky that I'm not with you or in the city where you live. Because people like you are the reason why many people today are insulting responsible single women are there. You mad. You crazy. I'm here one moment, take a bat of way. What take a bat it when we shag there, baby, where? Are you not ashamed of you stupid ass local ability girl? Any tracing a disease? You don't get sense. And some men go see they knew it. Do you know what is in that man's mind? No responsible woman, the responsible man will ever go for a woman like you, except low life like you. A man dignity can never come to you. Except all this nuisance. You have a real to sell a coil. Ya deal with it well because I'm talking. That video pissed me off because of this stupid set of women that make a perfect insult me one certain time because I stood for them when he a single mom. And what we are moving now, madam. Who think about one more video where children did the annoying part of it, where children did for they do your rubbish. Who benefit to be responsible woman like you. I know Jews are tossing people when they jot to say that they respond. This one is an irresponsible. You call out, go and brush yourself up. You are too dirty for my liking. Allah gonna know my manner. Oh, what damn do why not over a single mother? Oh, we made 13 years or na more coke here. Oh, be my voice barona 4 years or jelly on. Oh, my kissing me there. We can oje about all the piano we can oje. You know, the dating boy, like my voice not good. Tell me, I'm a quarry. Even do what they can be at the phone, at the do things, at the but who beg him not concern on it. Like when the daughter imagine on it. Oh, yeah, if man want talk to her, now so she didn't do. Even that time, if my ex, they want talk to her, now so she go do. She know they look their face. Hey, monoria, children when spoil. If they see ma, if they went, oh, have your cocoa, and they go carry shares, come outside, begin to talk. Why I money saka? A money saka yaga miopia. They go chuka put for the man. Picking children when spoil. If you get such picking, oh yeah, dead yet. So I repair that child. If you get such picking, when we say if you see man, you go just you can go what doing, what done, or what say well. As you see that man on that time, you go come one make on the throwing your shop at no see now sport child you get. What log wise in a single mom? What log wise so? Ekia beluwa. Now kasaba they kill some of una. Una go watch me something if I want to use such vocal word like this. I would talk as much, I'll come bring gun down. See the video when they talk, when they word, when they do that. One logo where mother ya total. I even did a video that said, come, people when they collect their children, they don't they make noise. I remember then when my daughter did so much, she didn't want to hear. Because I did when I give birth to her. The woman when I get the place, one come they follow me, they drag my pikin. Waiting make her because before social one collect your pikin, there must be a reason. Then my daughter fine, where will not be now when she don't go, she don't change. My daughter make call. People when know my daughter, when know me and my daughter, when know us that they know the story when I want to talk so. My daughter fine, where now pikin way fine. Waiting make them want to collect that child from me before this child from me. The place when I did, I said I no fit sick, I don't tire. I want to go walk. I don't tire, I'm depressed in here. I want to go and walk. Those of you know the story. Una go know say na through this woman talk. They don't want to collect my pikin because I abandon her. They don't want to collect my pikin because I want to take care of her. They don't want to collect my pikin because I dey carry the fefe men. No. Now the reason I want to tell you so. Because I want to go look for work. They tell me, so okay, no problem. Go look for work. Meanwhile, I don't know say na target neither day. Now target because me there, I don't dey complain say I want come up for their hand. I want go meet the child papa. That time papa still dey Italy there. Because I want go meet her. They say no, they not go agree. Me and her because that one still dey young, they still dey young. They say no, say we too dey young, we not fit take care of the child. I said, now you born my pikin for me. So I was making problem with them doing everything. I told them, say, look, I want go carry this pikin go meet papa. They say no. Okay, I want still go work. Because being a woman will be say, I know if you know girls, my husband go get money rich, he go say me no work. If I know one, if my husband say me I know they work under people, he go give me money, use and start business. Why? Because I want to be mama or man. No, I just want to be independent woman. I just want to do something to support the family. I be that kind of woman right from time. I be hard-working woman. I not be lazy woman. Forget you as you just see me, so forget that thing. No job when I don't feel do. I don't feel talk. I feel do like weekly. I feel put something for my head. The sellers. I don't sell my €1 this thing now. Just to support myself. I don't want to depend on my or go to sleep with different men for money. Even that time when I see they date, I see talk. I know they date because independent women, if they tell you say they love you, they really love you. Not because of what you get, because you have nothing to offer. There's just someone like me, you may have nothing to offer me. because I can walk. I'm a strong woman. I can do it alone. I only need man back up. Sumo. May you push me some and follow up. Watch out for the other part. As I was saying, not be because of money. Not be at a date man. Not be because of cuteness. Not be because of anything. I have simple reasons of dating men then, or I'm also leaving them. I wasn't just looking for a responsible man or either maybe a husband alone, a responsible one at that matter, but I was also looking for a responsible father for my child that will bring her up well, that will help me to build her up, that will educate her more. That's what I was looking for. But the people that I've come across with, they are not that kind of people. They don't send my daughter. Some of them want to be touching me. They are so irresponsible. Bring her. They don't care what that picking day, what that picking all day. So I quit. I did talk her for my child, so I feel do anything to protect her. If maybe if he go fit up, I feel even stay single for my daughter. I just stay forever. I'm not married because of her. Just to let her be okay. As I was saying, let me finish it. Then, they can't see the work for me. As they see the work, I can't go the work. They can't say, get one family, oh. Based on me still there young, I want to work. Me na woman when like work right from time. No job and off it. I feel do like bouquet. I feel pull food for my head, they sell up and down. Nothing as I dey talk on. Nothing. I don't get shame to say anything. The only thing when I know office do, that this thing, use until they make money. I can never. I don't like it. I rather die for poverty, just like Italy when they suffer because I'm not going to use here make money. I would rather they suffer or they Caritas or they government house. I know they green. Or keep person to do money. Now only that two things I know fit do. Or carry drugs. I know fit do all those things. I don't get that kind of heart. I go. Now cleaning job I go. For Roma. They say, see this family. I say, really family. Okay. You sure? They say, that I know I sabi read like that for the Italy. They give me the paper. I sign up. I don't know say that for adoption. That is why you see say for this country when I did so. I dey like to go to school. If they bring the paper, I'll fair it down. Man, know what they want. I want sign. Even that Italy that time, I never go school. That be the time when we say that they want to collect. I never go school. Now they put down for paper. I can't sign up. I don't know. I can't go work. Not be after 3 days. I know they reach Roma. Now my reverend father, they call me. Now my godfather, Reverend Father Don Fasto. Now go know and those of my way stay Roma. Now popular Reverend Father for Roma, Don Fasto. Now I call me because he always they call me baby because I did very young then. They call me baby. He just call me my daughter. This and that, they are calling you. I say, Daddy, what is it? He said they are calling you. I say, why? They say, you should just go immediately. That man buy ticket because now he still find it. Now the man still find a job for me for church to the clean church. You understand? Now the man still find work for me. Everything they paper when they take give me this my daughter. Everything when they talk, I know they lie. I know sabi lie. Everything they paper yeah. Even they Jeremy, yeah, they photocopy her for Jeremy because I submit the paper, say yes, now me be mother. Say see, I don't like to Jeremy. I tell them, say see the waiting apple, see waiting. All this when I say they talk for life now. I see tell Jama people. Say see the reason why they want me to collect this child from me. Because I be woman will be say, you know they like to stay house. I want they work. I know be liability. See reasons. That's why I take bus. The man take by flight because Sardinia that time, Sardinia. Train on the enter, either you use cheap or you use what do they call them? Flight. Now so that man take bus, take buy flight ticket. Instantly, now so take up pick me, will move. So I take rich carrier. Waiting the shop, waiting the apple. They say they want to collect my picking. I say, waiting the shop. I say I died there, my child. And then I still there young. When I'm not very, that's what they talk about me. Vibrant woman. I'm a vibrant woman. Then I still there young. Like I was like I died there. You collect my child? Never. Child will be say I give you, not be say I live up on you. We bargain, say I won't go work. Now say now una buy ticket for me. Now una come see use kurukuru want to collect my child. Now say now my daughter dey una. Now say I died there. That time I still dey Facebook. I no can call Facebook. Nobody did there for me apart from this very man. Don Fasto. This God will bless that man. Because now the man, now all of them, now the man, now they say buy ticket for me. Even for this woman, the woman name is Soriniasia. You see, I still call the name for Jamie. You see the Jamie, I still tell them the name everything. I phone number everything. Make sure okay. Everything when I talk, it did Jamie yeah. When I go do a story commission, I tell them everything. I don't lie. I tell them I get paper, I get everything. See what is up. Now this woman buy ticket for me. I see tell German people say now this woman buy ticket for me. This reverend sister. I say before I can not change matter put for my hand. Based on say I want to go work, I was depressed. They give us 70 euro, I mean 50 euro every month. Now you take buy food. Now you take buy things for picking. Now you take buy clothes for yourself. You know reach me. 70 euro every month, I mean 50 euro. When I get responsibility, child, I need to go and work. When I find work for me, they say no. I call my godfather. If help me find job for Rome. Because they say I don't think I the picking come there. That's okay. Make I give out to somebody, make I go do cleaning job, come back. Make I take gather money. So that if take go rent house. Because me, I don't tired for the place. Make I for go rent house. Not be they begin they fight me put. I say me. I don't get anybody. Only God be my papa, not be my mama. No mama, no papa, no sister, nobody to help me. I say, but God, you will fight for my battle. You will fight my battle. That's why I begin fight these people. Nobody knows. Social media don't know. Even your papa, too, he know, but he say not send me. May I go born for that place. Yeah, for go, but he say not send me. It's because normally, you know, they are not carry bag rock about for us. Say because he not send me. On the very good, I will sit up the reason why I still carry wrong. You don't say when inside the back mail up. You don't say help me. I take give man document. Me I take help man because then when I know my baby father, if you don't get problem, you not feel no time. So now kitchen with the sleep. Me and my baby father there. His sisters are there. I not to watch this video or himself. Now kitchen with the sleep. They pay 500 euro for that place. For kitchen, we suffer. Not my eye take carry belle. See my I beg my go find document move for to get better house. But last time waiting me say me meeting for favor, he can't turn her against me. That is why I tell now the daddy say me experience me don't get for men. I supposed to deal with men. Sorry to say responsible men or men, so one of this. But I cannot use that against anybody. The past is gone and it's gone for good. So now so the matter take play. If father abandon me, he say no send me message, he not they come, he not go help me. I begin battle this child. I say I rather die. That time forget man who be man. Me will be like respecting. And the man they go lawyer. Please start with the, these people they give me lawyer. They give me lawyer. As they come, they want to carry the pikin. One of my girlfriend, that day, he called my party. She did that, she was a witness. People when they the house all day, so they know say me, I can keep because of my child, because I love my child so much. And they know say I take care of her very well. My daughter too fine. Pikin when I newborn after 2 weeks, I be 3 weeks, I begin the tire and Verdun. I love children so much. And so we take day, the battle round. I say never. Not be the rest people when they the house say, for what? This woman, no, not fit collect this pikin because people like my child because she take fine, take make grappa for ground. You understand? Now they begin, they follow me, they fight, they say never, they don't want to carry this pikin. As they talk, where me there, I don't want to mad, I'm not for table. Now say, una carry my child, I die. I will kill somebody. If una carry this child, I will kill una. Una know they never born a rich. Pikin when I use small pikin age table, now they mad. Carry my daughter. Now say lie. Now begin scatter everything where they say all of the things. I scatter everything. Now say I'll die before I carry my child. I will kill one person. I say I will kill you first before you carry this child away from me. Pikin when I use small pikin age table. My life, my papa, my mama, my sister. I don't feel born for Nigeria before. Pikin when I come carry myself all the way from Africa, come Europe, come born. Now also that carry from me. I die. I will turn to mad person for my neck. That's why I take day. I fight all of them. Now as I die, now lie. I know they agree. When I carry this child for me. I saw we take the bag. Carry knife. I said, I'll kill somebody today. Even the rest people, the rest girls with them, have all of their pack come outside, say, no, I'm not gonna collect this girl child. This girl when they collect, when they train the pikin where. As this pikin you're fine, so I'm not gonna collect her. My daughter did 1 year there. That's why I tell you, scatter everywhere, throw away everything. Before me know they don't rado, they don't call socials, they don't call police, because they know me for that. I say, me a farmer woman. And they could they tell me if I vex, people who got to stay the same, they know me. That they avoid me. Anything will concern me, not will concern them. I say, even both the socials, some of them they fear me because that time I heard they skip. They skip where they skip. I don't want to hear, I don't want to sense, I don't want to feel now. That's why I take day. Before you know, police don't come. Broke. Wait till they saw that tell police. Wait till they saw. Wait till they happen. Wait till they saw. That police say they want to carry my pikin. I say, social. I say, they don't feel carry my pikin. All the girls, they stay for road. All these girls. Won't go that they stay. They say, I don't feel collect this pikin. I stand. I say, never. Now police can say, if I don't respect them, they go shoot me with gun. That electric, they'll carry me go psychiatric. Doctors are mad. I better don't respect them. Ah, God. I say, these people, they want to collect my pikin. That's why I take them. I just want to call the story short. That's why I take them. I can't respect them. I know that then the police can't take me come out. You understand? As police just take me come out, then the girls can't hold my children for us. You can't hold my daughter for us. I can't follow police go station. As I go station, I can't they ask, I can't they crack. What do they say? See what see up. I don't can they leave this pikin. I just want to go work. I don't try. They give me 70 euro, 50 euro every month. How fit they cope? Okay, more than find job for me, clean your day work. They say no. Maybe they find work, me no fit stay. Now the police say make I calm down. I no go. They will release my pikin. I just cooperate with them. Now say cool. And so the people when they ask me, oh my pikin, they say socials they want to collect the pikin. Oh, will they follow the whole ground? That's okay. The person they not give the pikin to them. That's okay. Now no it goes so. When I leave the pikin for them, they carry her. As they leave her, they carry the pikin, they come out. Immediately, as they take that pikin, I say they take me come out. I think they can't carry me go another house again. From that house, my godfather can tell me say, okay, what thing go happen to fight these people? Make me call Roma. From there, I will battle the pikin from Roma. I will take lawyer, they fight the pikin, then I take claim my pikin back. That's why I already cut all the story short because I not fit talk too much. I felt on say one day I will tell my IT play. You understand? So that's what we take fight time. The moment I just stepped, you don't buy ship ticket, you don't do everything based on everywhere, no picking day. That's why I take move. As I just the reach airport, I enter inside seaport, I just enter inside the ship. Now so my phone they ring. Oh, my body don't they hurt me, I don't go mad. I said, I know they pick phone. I know they want to pick call. I don't want to pick call. The phone they ring. That's so okay. And the ship never miss about to move. That's why I just take the phone. Hello. Now I say, don't they say. Now say, I go to the say, he also in the nave and be ship. I think so. He said, Shendri, subito. Now say, versus lose, varum, preke. He said, Shendri, subito. Now so I tell rush. Carry my bag. Run the ship. As the ship want they move, you want not say as they see, you know say that see they. As he want move, it don't they move, it don't they close the door when people they pass enter. That's why I take throw my bag. I say jump. As I they talk and so a story. I jump, come down, bang, and as I tell all the distance, that's why I come down. As I know they come down, me no say man. Police just come, rain they fall. They know they control. They know they come and they control Roma. Me no say these people don't call police or they want to deport my enemy go Nigeria. I don't know. As I wish maybe I enter that ship. As I they come down for that seaport for Roma. And so police go they take me, they deport me go Africa. Then they ask me passport, documento, varum que tu Shendri. Now say versus lose. Why will not change? Why will not come down? Why? Now somebody comes to me, I come down from this ship. Now say I must come down. Now police begin hold me home. They say when my passport say, you know, that my passport. I cannot give you my passport. Let me come back again. I forgot to say this. You see, as a single mom, you get children. You get 4 children. If you dey date man, let the socials know. Yes, let them know. Because body no be firewood. If you be single mother, if you dey date man, let your socials know. And if you still break up with them, still let them know. Say, see your reasons. Make sure say your reasons of leaving these guys are good reasons. Let me use my own as an example. In those days when they're going to complain, when I date, they're going to complain, they give socials. You know, say some people, neighbors, they lie well. If they see you, see say man come, they're going to complain, go to test socials. Because we will be mothers, all parents, we have socials when they watch us. They're going to complain, they give them. Sometimes they will call me, say, yeah. I didn't say, not my fault. I don't bring anybody come house. The only person will come house is my guy. And if I say break up with that guy, I will still let them know, say, I don't deal with this guy again. They'll say, why? What did you do? I'll say, see, majority of these men, they want make I born. And really, the men when me they see, now so born give me. Now they tell me. They don't marry me. I may never go school. I never work. Then they say, they know they work. They say, make I born. I want to bomb. Some of them are because of paper. I don't go leave this kind of man. Sometimes I go tell the social. They go say, really? I say, yes. And they tell the national, see me so. All my relationships, some of them, we don't know me for this social media. And they tell social. Even as this, my man come, me and I said to so. Baka, they know. Because his name see the computer, say, me and I gather there. I tell them, say, we just settle. They say, how? How come me back? I tell them, say, see, I tell Apple. Even the reason why me and I separate from the same house there, they know. I tell them. Now, she come back, so they say, it don't change. I hope it's okay now. I say, yes, it's okay now. You see, if there is anything, let me know. I say, no problem. Let your socials know. My last breakup before me and my man come back now, I tell social, say, see this man when I be the date. I be the date this man, oh. This man not tell me say he don't marry for Nigeria. See what thing happen, see what I post the picture, do video with her for Facebook to know, because I don't ask her whether I get wife. He say no get. So I can't purposely post the picture for social media so that to know if this man really don't marry. Now say I did. And I can't find out, say this man, he get woman. Now so that one not even pay me. Now say that one not even trigger my BTC in a lie when people they tell me say this man don't marry. I can't see dream see her because me not see her. I tell you bo. Then I say me not see her. Me not native person. I be traditionalist. I tell them. They know. If you see my house, so carry there. I tell them. Now say I won't drink see and say this man don't marry. See what he do me. This man hits me because of the truth. For that reason, I don't feel cope with such man who lay his filthy hands on me. No man dare to lay his filthy hands on me. I'm a queen. You dare not lay your filthy hands on me. I tell Social say, not true. You don't need that kind of man for, but they will come and do man. No, he say me not get better. They use such man. Social can't carry me. See, they can't they advise me. I can't they tell her my pains. Now, so I know one man and different boys. I get picking, and I get ambition. I want live a good life. I want school. I want get a good job and get married to my husband and live like a family. When I explain to Social understand. She can't even pray for me. When me tell her and I say, me and my man just settle back then. Just settle back some months ago. She can't be happy. Say, congratulations. I'm very happy for you. Oh, finally. How does it treat you? Does it beat? I say, no. It doesn't beat me like it. You know they beats me. I tell Social, I say, you know they beat me, you know they laying hands on me. Now I be the reason why to make me and I still there. It treats me well. I know say sometimes if you provoke or me see provoke normal. I say nice Social even tell me say na normal. Boyfriend and girlfriend, even there they self the quarrel. So my sister, person like me now, how Social I can't take carry my pikin? When they know everything, I know they lie to them. They tell them. It shock so many people say, I know they into trouble. That means I see dates there. Any man when I carry enter my house, Socials must know. I must tell them. So sister, if you the date guy, let your socials to not fear. Because if you not let them know, they will feel say you they do mago mago, you they irresponsible. So let them know your pains and your motive.